Every year, someone declares that a new career is dead. In 2026, they're pointing at database administration. AI now writes SQL, Cloud handles the backup. We don't need DBAs anymore. But here's the funny part. Every time somebody says that, a production database somewhere is on fire. And in that moment, the same persons who said DBAs were obsolete suddenly ask, where's the database person? Somebody get them now. The truth is, database administration isn't dying, but it's evolving. And in this video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly what's changing, what's staying the same, and how you can stay far ahead of the curve. Now, let's be real. The job did change 10 years ago, and yes, I was there 10 years ago. DBA spent a lot of time on manually tuning queries, physical server maintenance, backups done by hand, and late on-call horrors. But then came managed databases, Azure, RDS, Atlas, and suddenly, even before that, some people believe that the role was unnecessary. Add AI tools that can generate SQL, and some people jump to DBA is obsolete. But here's the part that everyone forgets. When the tools get advanced, the failures get more advanced too. Now, what has changed for DBAs? Now, you may not be racking physical servers anymore. Congrats. But now, you're dealing with distributed, global, always-on architectures. Modern DBAs have become a hybrid role. Part SRE, part cloud engineer, part data guardian, and part automation specialist. So today, you're not just tuning queries anymore. You're managing ecosystems, multiple databases, caches, streams, sharded systems, multi-tenant architectures, replicas, and regional failover. For sure, the tools have become way smarter, but the architecture has become way more complicated. So instead of disappearing, the DBA role has evolved and become more strategic and more critical. Gone are the days when you need to add this to a server you contact as a sysadmin. You as a DBA now need to have the capability and skill to get that done in the cloud realm. So how do you future-proof your DBA career? So if you want to stay relevant or break in this field, here are 4 things that you need to consider or do. I strongly recommend that you master a scripting language. For a SQL server, you need to know PowerShell scripting to the T. And for things like Oracle, of course, Bash scripting is gonna be your best friend. Modern DBAs automate what old DBAs used to manually click. If it's repetitive, 99% of the times, you can automate it with a script. So instead of babysitting, you just initiate the script, forget about it, and check later on. Number 2, you must become fluent in cloud. Pick a platform whether it's going to be RDS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Learn how to do the core functional database administration task on this platform. Yes, it's not always easy as on-prem because you have knowledge gaps and skills that you need to bridge. Master observability. Whenever there's an issue, this is your friend. So you need to get familiar or on top of technologies like Amazon CloudWatch, tracing, things like Grafana, Dynatrace in some cases. If you can't see it, you can't protect it. Level up your communication. Become the person who explains complex database chaos in simple terms. And that, my friend, is a skill that makes you unstoppable. So, will database administration be dead in the near future? No. What's dead is the old version of the job. What's thriving is the upgraded, cloud-native, automation-powered version. If you want to be a part of the future, hit the subscribe button and join my Telegram group. The link will be in the description of this video. And if you're serious about leveling up your skill, you can check out my DB Accelerator program. The link is also in the description of this video. Don't forget to leave a like or comment on this video.